We have a glider here. You have done some nice work with it, right?
Just so you can see it.
Yeah, there are some.
Yeah, so basically I caught a big rock inside and it made some holes. There's a lot of small holes over here, a couple of medium-sized. Here, there's another group of holes over here.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking we make some patches and try to make it reasonable again.
Yeah, but that was the area, right? You have had the stone inside. You checked the rest of the car.
Only in this cell.
Only this cell. Okay. Let's see. First of all, yeah, you have also one there, maybe.
Yeah, I thought one of the neighbor cells may have one. I'm not sure.
And this one is good. Yeah.
This one's fine.
This is the important one to make the repair correct. We see what's here is the front of the glider, top surface. So this is the area which is mostly pressurized during the flight. So actually this is the area we need to have really nice patching, because the whole pressure is at this area.
Yeah.
So what I'm thinking is actually to make a first we clean the stuff with some water, so the the adhesive is like nicer to sit on the stuff, and maybe also from the fabric on the inner side we can also do a patch from inside.
Yeah.
So that's what we can do. But let's try to clean it first. Okay. And I think it's enough to clean just with some water. And, and this is nice. Okay.
Water.
Water.
No, not that.
Yeah. Let's see.
Very good.
Very nice. Use rest of the water there. So, okay. So we have the color. It's like greenish. Which color do you like to use?
I think this matches really nice. It's almost invisible. No, honestly, I haven't been able to find the right color, so I'm gonna go a Japanese style that if you can't hide it, then embrace the inevitable. So we're gonna make it visible and use red.
Okay.
It'll be beautiful.
Yeah, it would be beautiful.
And it's also honest, right?
Yeah. Okay. The thing is that there are quite a few holes here, so one could have the idea to take one patch to cover all the holes, but it's like a big area, so if you put one patch, not a bad. You want we do one patch?
No, I think we should do sections with different colors.
Yeah. Different. Yeah, the area is like. At least what it's important to do this is that we stretch it out totally, so that once we put the new material inside on the top, it's like doesn't make any.
So it folds. Yeah. So we stretch it out, we slap it on, and it's done, right?
Yeah, basically.
Yeah. Sounds
Let's
easy.
do
So I'm gonna cut a piece to match this.
Yeah.
Is this long enough?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, for this area.
Not bad. So I'll try to follow the rip cords. And round the corners, right?
Exactly, that's what I wanted to tell you. Round the corners so they're easier and nicer to stay.
How does that look? So that goes here about. We want to not get too close to that because that needs a separate patch.
Exactly.
So something
like this. Yeah.
All right. So, and this is this material is basically made for this. It's a little difficult to separate the backing. Oh my god.
And we have it. Yep. So, how was the size? Like this, covering this area, right?
Do you wanna hold it and like glue it, or if you stretch?
I just wanted to look at the first time where to start it from. It's from here almost. So, yeah.
Oh, like that. Okay.
Take it like this area, and we stretch it out. If you can hold it up, yeah, I stretch it. Stretch. Usually we could actually do like this, but I feel I have my hand better on the back side to make it like nicer. Yeah, and more.
Is that too fast?
No, it's okay. Here. So let's look at the material. Back side. You can see the material is like really stretch and nice. So everything is nice. Now we make all the corners to push it down. This is nice. So we want one small here, like this.
Yeah. Like almost square?
Yeah, almost a square. New color?
Yeah, why not? You should
rainbow design.
accept your errors, right?
That's right.
Whoops. Wow, that's nice. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can get this backing off.
Yep. Have a look at it again.
What? Can I help in any way?
Size. And let's see first the size, if it fits. Yeah, actually nice. From this area. Yeah. Yes, please. There.
Are you orienting the ripstop to be same orientation as the original fabric, or is that random?
Yeah, actually.
You should be, right?
Yeah, exactly. And look at it from the back side. No wrinkles, no nothing, so it's really clean. And also from the outside we can see it's totally clean. It means you have the airfoil, the profile, it's like really as it should be. Now we just
massage it
a bit around the corner especially. Also the whole area. Yeah. It's going to be nice. We would have need for one, at least 2 more, but I think maybe even 3. So the maybe one from here to here, like a long one like this almost. Yeah, actually the same size.
Is this big enough?
Yeah.
Yeah. I shall cut. It may be too big, but then I will take some off it.
Yeah.
Is that good?
It's a bit too big, but it's okay because we have some very small holes here as well.
Too long or too wide?
No, it's
good.
Actually, I think it's good if you just round the corners.
Yeah. Should you, in principle, send this in for repair and have someone sew on some pieces or replace that section, or is this a valid repair?
No, this is a normal small one, so that you are allowed to do this without any more education or knowledge. This is
see if this method works again.
Yes.
Perfection. Oh my god.
Don't take it all the way off. Yeah, it can become difficult. Yep, thank you.
Want to spread it out?
Yes, thank you. Please.
I'm gonna turn around.
Exactly, I want also to do it this way.
Can they overlap?
Yeah, a bit. Just go close to the corner. Again, no wrinkles. Here you have a very small one, but it's like you stretch it out right away, and it's also away. So the whole material on both sides without any wrinkles. There and there. That's nice.
Very nice.
Do you have another color as well?
Yes, the last one is black.
Yeah. I think it should be more like square, kind, yeah, a bit wider.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like this?
Like, yeah, a bit wider actually. It's like, look,
oh, you want to catch these also?
Exactly,
right.
So.
Okay, so like this actually.
Yeah.
Half a panel.
Almost, a little bit less than half.
Like this?
Let's see, yeah. Because it's also getting too challenging to put it nicely if it gets too big.
Yeah.
From here. Yeah, it covers the whole thing. Would be a bit challenging, but let's do it.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
So just round the corners again.
Yeah. Also because this area, it's like a, it's not a flat area, so it gives some challenges. The cell gets much smaller or bigger at this area. But let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see it again before you open it. Okay, there. Yeah. Yep. And I would like you to, if you can, do like this, open the whole area for me.
Yeah.
And then I put it on.
Okay.
Thank you.
A little difficult, but
yes,
I think this will do. Bring it a little closer to you.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just I want to do it small step aside at a time.
The world is watching.
Yeah. Let's see.
So far, so good.
Yeah, it's nice.
Re-grab
this area, yes. This is really nice so far. Yeah.
Not luck.
Just luck. Yeah, if you can stretch a bit more. Yes, exactly at this area. And now we'll put the we have an area here.
Oh, there's a...
Let's see.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah.
That was what I was talking about. This area, it's not a flat area, it's curving, so the material is like a bit difficult to put it right without any wrinkles. Let's put that in. It's also really nice. There's a few small ones. We try to do like this. It's also really clean from the inside and from the outside, really perfect. You touch around the edges. And that's it. Actually, it became nice.
Yeah.
With different colors, yeah.
I don't mind the different colors. I think it's nice.
It's kind of new BGD style.
Yeah. It's good.
That's cool. Yeah, then you try to keep an eye on it every now and then. If it's like
if it rips off
or opening, you need to change it
Yeah.
to new ones. But the material is clean right now, and it should hold a long time.
Cool.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.